The great thing with SERVPRO too is that while it's a nationwide company and they're into Canada, each franchise is locally owned and operated. And so it's an opportunity for us to help serve our community. Part of what we do and part of what I tell my guys is each time you go out, you have to be a servant. You have to have kind of the heart of a servant in an industry like this, when people are having a bad day, they have water damage, they have a fire damage, and we're the ones that are showing up to help them out. We have to have that heart of a servant. We have to have compassion for them. We have to have empathy for them. And to be able to do that for our neighbors, for people we see every day, for people that we run into at a grocery store or we run into at a restaurant, we're working and living right in our own communities. And here in West Michigan, we have great communities. And here at SERVPRO, we love serving those communities.